Meet the wolf spider, a cunning and agile hunter known for its incredible speed and exceptional vision. Its name comes from its wolf-like hunting behavior, as it patiently stalks and pounces on its unsuspecting prey. Unlike other spiders, the wolf spider does not rely on webs to capture its meals. It employs a more active hunting strategy, relying on its sharp instincts and lightning-fast reflexes. The wolf spider's acute sense of vibration detection allows it to locate its prey, even in the darkest of environments. This act not only provides nourishment for the wolf spider but also helps control the population of German cockroaches, contributing to the delicate balance of nature.